Hi guys! Today I'm standing in front of the BYD showroom located here at AS Fortuna, Mandawi City. So in today's video, I'll be showing you one of the units that BYD is offering in the market right now. Let's go!
This is the BYD Shark 6, which was launched in Cebu last March 2025. 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine with dual electric motors, front 231 PS and 310 Nm of torque, rear 204 PS and 340 Nm of torque, combined output of 435 PS and 650 Nm of torque. Features a wading depth of 700 mm.
Usa ni siya sa mga pwede gamiton para mo-start sa engine. Okay, sa NFC card, key, and a BYD application. Sa phone, si BYD application, imo siya i-register sa imong phone. So, pwede din mo siya mapa-start using the phone, mapaandar ang imong aircon, malocate din mo siya bisan asa maski naa ka sa gawas.
Also equipped with LED headlamps with auto on and off, high beam assist for premium variant only. Also comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear fog lamps, 18-inch alloy wheel, power adjustable and power folding, door side mirrors with heating. Power 4-way front passenger seat.
Kung naka-full forward siya.
Okay.
So in here, very spacious. So unsa man ni? Usa ka 1 meter. So dyan ako ka-arm. Let's see kung normal lang ang distance ang front passenger seat. Again, I am 5'2". So let's see. I'll try to measure it using my fist. So 1, 2, 3. So more or less mga 3 fist ang distance. So very spacious siya.
You also have your spare tire, and suspension is a double wishbone suspension. Payload capacity of 835 kilograms, towing capacity of 2,500 kilograms.
European.
So pwede isaksak diha.
Aside sa naatay vehicle to load mo, pwede na makasaksak sa diri. And then, nasa din mga lights. Pwede na ito mag-turn off na, press lang ka diri.
Naka naman na siya i-press.
Okay, press mo.
Kailangan taas ka no, para makapun ka.
And also, kung nakasuga, siga na siya, ma'am. I-close na to, mupawang rasa na siya.
Automatic off yung lights ko.
Okay.
And then, pag open sa dani, ma'am, press lang ka kaduha.
Okay.
Excuse ko, ma'am, ha?
Sige. Automatic na siya.
At the back, it also comes with rear vents and a 220 volts and a phone
So
charger.
at the back, we have ports
So we have Type-C, ma'am, and USB.
Okay.
So ang pinakanindot na to is naatay 220 volts nga outlet.
220 volts, meaning to say, like, for example, you're heading to work and then you have your own laptop.
Yes, ma'am.
Pwede na ako ma-charge. See? Pick up siya, but kuha siya. Functional. Maka-laptop ka, ka-charge ka, umulobat. And also, nandito siya yung armrest, guys. See?
With cup holders.
With 2 cup holders. There. Keyless entry na siya, then pwede sa siya yawi-yawi, guys. Yan.
So pwede siya ma-down, up, and para sa imong katiganan.
So guys, if ever you'll be getting the pickup, which is called the BYD Shark 6 DMO, you have to turn off the engine first before you can open the gas tank. Gas ni siya, guys. Pila engine ganyan eh?
1.5 liters.
1.5 liter engine.
Yeah. Duha ka buk ang atong electric motor. Front o sa likod. And 12-inch ang iyang screen. So pwede na siya ma-rotate. So this one.
Masyag naiduha ka iPad inside your pickup, no?
Yeah. And pwede siya ma-voice command, ma'am.
So Apple CarPlay, Android Auto na ni.
Yes, ma'am. Wireless. Yeah, usa ni siya sa mga voice command nato sa screen.
Okay.
Like for example,
Say command na pwede.
hi BYD. Rotate screen.
Okay, rotating the screen.
Amazing.
Charger. So we have AC charger. Nasa day DC charger.
Okay. A question ba, how efficient it is? Considering duha ka electric motor and then
Kuan siya, ma'am.
ilang kudit na gas.
Ang iyang kuan 1 liter mudagan siya 13 to 14 kilometers.
Unsa man na siya? City drive?
That's a city drive.
City drive.
Yes, ma'am.
Or of course, depende man gyud na siya.
Depende na siya sa imong driving habit.
How long siya i-charge before ma-fully charge ang phone? Shark 6.
We have free chargers man. So wall charger and portable charger. So si wall charger, ma'am, is 4 hours. And then si portable charger is 10 to 12 hours. So slow charge man si portable. Yeah. Fast charge si wall charger.
Go kung pila lang price. So pila ka ba variants sa inyo ang Shark 6?
We have 2 variants for the BYD Shark 6 DMO. For the premium, 2.3, 58,000. And for the advance, it's 2.1, 58,000.
Sige lang. Actual wall chargers. So how does it work, Phil, kung if ever natin mga clients na maaari mag-charge?
So first, ma'am, imo ni siyang isaksak sa imong sakyanan. After, scan ka QR code
Using the app.
using the app.
Okay.
Metro application. Yan, magawas na dito kung saan pagbayad.
Alright. So for the next video, guys, we'll be showing you how it feels driving the Shark 6 feel. So thank you so much, Phil, for showing us the Shark 6
Welcome,
from BYD. And then feel free to invite the viewers.
Hi, good afternoon. Kung naamoy time, visit lang diri sa BYD Cebu, located at AS Fortuna, Banilad, Mandawi City. Mangita lang go.
Thank you.
Bye. Mania. Nasan? City, SMC side. Ayana. And then, sa Oak Ridge, nasan?
So daghan-daghan nagidag mga wall chargers, no?
Maskin sa kuan, New Star na asad.
Amazing. So free na siya.
Free na siya as of now.
As of now.
Yes.
So eventually, na naging
Yes, ma'am. I think sa Ayala na nagbayad. So, download lang ka atong application nga Evro. So, tiga-open din mo atong application. Gawas na dito ang mga available na mga charging station.